Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today's pretty much gonna be about the yellow Evo today. We're gonna stop by at like 3-4 different shops today. We're just finally gonna get this car running 100%. We're gonna put it in kill mode. We're gonna switch some things off. I can't say much about it, but let's just say it's gonna be on kill mode. So today we're gonna go to New Lexington. We're gonna go to Hominin States, and I believe some other shops close to New Lexington. But we're gonna get like we're gonna hit 3 different shops today, and one of them is gonna be boosting performance. So we're gonna check out some parts, and yeah guys, so today pretty much is gonna be pampering the yellow Evo. We're gonna get 100% done. Summer's already here and we've been slacking, but yeah guys, so we're gonna stop by and get probably drop off the car and get a side exit or something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but if not, we're gonna get the tune and then get the side exit. I don't know, but we're gonna get it done. And pretty much after that, we might hit the car wash because the car's been sitting and it's a little bit dirty, dusty. So we'll stop by. Like I said, today the video is gonna be washing the Evo and driving it to different shops, and then finally just dropping it off at one shop. So guys, stay tuned, and thanks again for watching my videos. If you guys haven't subscribe, hit that like button, and leave comments and let us know what you guys want to see on the Evo, and hopefully you guys get good contact. So guys, I appreciate it again. Hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. One thing about these Kirky drag seats, they're comfortable. Don't like this one is pretty comfortable, even though it doesn't have like the black little pad thing, but it's gonna get it soon. The only thing about these seats is that once you're trying to get off, you really have to like try to get off. But yeah, they're really comfortable. I really recommend, if you guys are trying to build a drag car or even just want to get these seats for the hell of it, I really recommend them. They're really comfortable, and they're not as bad as they look, you know. Like that one, since it doesn't have the cover, your butt's gonna hurt. But with the cover on these, it's not that thick, but it helps so much, guys. So I really recommend these seats, probably 10 out of 10 on how they feel. So yeah guys, stay tuned for more videos. Also guys, let me know what you guys think, if we should stick with the white lettering on the Mickey Thompsons, or if we should stick with the yellow. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling yellow, but I don't know. Let me know your opinion down in the comment below. And yeah guys, so today, like I said, we're gonna do an oil change and wash it, and then start heading out towards like the Chicago area, probably further down. I'm not so sure. I haven't gone to these 2 shops I'm gonna go today, but I've gone to Boost and Performance. Obviously that's kind of where my hometown is, near Hominin States, Illinois. But yeah, the carbon fiber trunk isn't here yet, but we're still waiting on that. And then one other surprise for the back of it, and it should be done. But thanks again. Alright guys, so the battery died in the Evo, but Brian's about to load it up and we're gonna head out to the shop. So stay tuned guys, and we're stopping by, like I said on the previous clip, like probably 3 different shops. So yep, I'm about to head out with Jesse to a bank real quick, and then I'll be back. Brian's gonna have the car loaded up, and then we're gonna head out. So we just made a Boost in Performance here in Hominin States. We're gonna get some parts, and yeah, this is the first shop I told you guys we're gonna stop by at. Boostin', they got some Evos on here. You guys already know the 7-second Red Demon. So their hours right there, for if you guys want to know their hours are right there. So guys, so we're back at the second shot. We're Geared Up Motorsport. So we're about to unload the Evo. It was like a 2-hour and 20-minute drive, but it was well worth it. So the car's gonna get jumped on the dyno, and yeah, guys. So we're excited. So a couple cars, DSMs, really clean GSX right there. I'm not trying to record much. I don't know how strict they are about like recording here, you know. I don't know what if the customers want their cars to be recorded or not. So yeah guys, I'm still gonna continue vlogging, so check out the next few clips. And yeah, this is Geared Up Motorsports. Yeah guys, so it seems that the Evo's gonna need a little bit more work done to it until it's completely done. We just found out a little bit more issues, just some rewiring issues, that's all. But yeah, we're gonna leave it here at Geared Up Motorsports, and there's their phone number right there. They're gonna take care of it, and then the tuning, they got Mustang dyno, they do pretty much anything, and they're gonna do the side exit. We're just gonna drop it off here and have them finish it. Right now they're doing like a slight tune and adjustments, so yeah.
Extended tip plugs, you don't want to run those. That's for sure.
So that's what's getting tuned on. Alright, so we're gonna leave the car here. They're gonna take care of the rest, the things that we really didn't want to take care of. So yeah guys, we're gonna bring it down where we finished doing some testing on it, and from what it seems, the timing was slightly off. So, but we decided to actually spend more money and buy more parts for it. So guys, this car, man, all the money we spend, but it's gonna come out nice. Gonna come out nice.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, yeah, because the stud's still steel. Yeah, the bolt's still steel. So
It better make 800.
Hey, if it doesn't work, I got a 6-incher in there that's good for like 1,300. So
That thing sounds ridiculous. Guys, so we're gonna go get some food. We got like a 2-hour drive. I'm gonna end the vlog right here guys, so thanks again for watching. And yeah, we dropped off the Evo finally. They're gonna take care of the rest, and a lot is gonna get ordered for the Evo. You guys thought it was done, it's not. More performance parts coming. So alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. We're about to head home, so thanks again for watching another video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.